Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Tanya and I'm back. I know I have been going for a long time, but I'm planning my comeback. Just so you know, I want to continue doing my videos. And it's like kind of a nice hobby. It's more so just me liking to record the videos, put on the wigs and show y'all how to slay. But let me go ahead and get right into it. If you have Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. I post pictures and TikToks. I also have a TikTok too, so you can follow me there too. I'll put it in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you like this review, because there's plenty more to come. And also check out my older ones because some of these wigs still slay to this day. So today's wig that I'm going to do a review on, I wanted to do an unboxing, so I'm going to start doing unboxing. So my channel, this is by Sensational Butterlace. It is the style Beach Waves 20. So this is the color Balyage Mocha. Very pretty, but I do see some like that Havana brown color mixed in with the number 4 and some blonde, of course, 613. And it's kind of dark rooted, and it gets lighter when you get to the end. So I want to come back and show y'all on the mannequin head so you can see the hairline more clearly. So this is how the hairline looks. It is pre-plucked and it is nice to go just like this. It has the baby hairs. However, y'all know I like to go in and do my own thing. So I'll definitely be plucking this a little bit more just in this area because this is only a T part. It does give you a lot of room to work with. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. So all this room right here for the T part, you can do some plucking in, which I do suggest. Always customize your unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and come back customizing the wig, and I'll probably fast forward through that part. Probably try to do a voiceover, not sure because I'm doing this all from my phone. But whatever happens, happens, and stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm back. I had to, like, you know, do my makeup. I didn't do nothing. It's too hot for foundation, guys. Like, I literally did my brows, some liner, lashes, and gloss. Foundation, no. Anyway, before I give you my like rating for this unit, let me go ahead and just go over some of the specs again, because we want to make sure it's like a fact check. So this is HD lace. Of course, synthetic wigs don't have like real HD lace, but the lace is so thin, it's so light, and it's super blendable. The only thing I can complain about was the wig cap is super huge for me, so I had to tuck it behind my ears, which of course brings the hairline back. So I'm glad I didn't glue super glue. I'm glad I didn't use lace glue on this drawing, because like I got the alfalfa ears right now because the wig cap is like pushing my ears down, and it kind of hurts, I'm not gonna lie. So this is not small head friendly. And next thing is the tangling. This wig tangles a lot. I'm surprised because I thought it was supposed to be, yeah, this is a human hair synthetic lace blend. So usually those are better. They're more realistic looking. I guess it doesn't really cut out the tangling, but this unit tangles a lot right off the bat. And it's a shame because it's really nice. So they definitely going to keep your paddle brush handy when it comes to this wig. It also claims that it's 20 inches long. I don't know what they're talking about 20 inches. This non-stretched on me, it's about like I would say 14 inches, 16 inches. Stretched, I'm gonna say 18 inches. So it is not 20 inches. Get that out your head. It did come with the baby hairs. I don't ever use the baby hairs. I always push them back, pluck the wig, and pull out what I need. Here's what she looks like to the side, to the back, to the other side, and back to the front. Now, I will probably give this wig about a 6. It looks fantastic. Like, I knew right off the bat after looking at this picture, it was going to look good on me. The reason why I gave it a 6 instead of 8, 9, 10 is because of the cap size. It's because it's too large, and it's yeah, the sides, like, you can't really pluck on the sides. They give you so much room right here and nothing on the side to work with. But other than that, like, maybe I'm being too harsh, but you tell me what you never gauge the shedding, guys, because I do so much customization to my unit. I don't know if it's me or the actual wig. I don't think this is going to be like a easy, like a long wear type of wig because of the tangling. I just know from experience what's going to last long and what's not. This one is not going to be a long lasting one because of the tangling. And but yeah, you can get a couple of wears out of her. Don't wear her at night. I would not recommend wearing this unit at night. If you have any other questions, comment below. Follow me again on TikTok and Instagram, and holla at your girl later. Bye.